Look at these high winds. Look at these high winds coming from the southwest up to 20 miles an hour. Can you see that? There's the mast. There's the mast. And the wind is blowing everything into the northeastern direction. I've never seen my spider beam mast standing that crooked during the installing, and I'm used to install my antenna during really high winds. So look at this, look at this. Wow. Wow. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is almost an angle. 90 degrees. I gotta hurry up. I want to do some tests today. It's warm, 8-9 degrees, Charlie. No rain at the moment. We will see what happens. DK5OND at the shores of the Rhine River. Out of here.